Hey, it's Sam Peck from the Ally team. We have some Ally course report designs we'd like to share with you, but specifically, we'd like to be able to engage and connect with your instructors. In taking a quick study around these designs, we have a prototype we've put together, and essentially, I'll run this prototype through with you, and this will give you a good idea of what's in the study itself. The study is really simple to take. It's literally a few tasks and they're done. It's very well sort of put together in the way that it gives you some guidance, and it'll help instructors understand what they need to do at every point. It's very quick to do. It's around 10 to 15, maybe 20 minutes long, depending on how much feedback you want to put into it. So let's go and have a little look at the designs themselves at the moment. In the study software, or the platform that we've created the study in, we asked them to be able to locate where the Ally course report link might be, and it's just here. And so what happens is the screen changes and we'll see a landing page which highlights a score for the overall course itself, an accessibility score. And we'll also show 3 different kinds of launching points. And in this case, we've got one that kind of gives a list of all the different kinds of files that you can then access. There's also a launching point which looks at fixing files with severe issues, and another one which will begin to look at the lowest scoring files. Underneath that, we'll also have a list of actual accessibility issues. And alongside those issues, we can see how many files are affected and the type of file in which that issue pertains to. So in the first task, we go ahead and we'll say to locate a way of looking at all the lowest scoring files. And in this case, the most important one to begin with in the context of the study is the aristopolitics.pdf. So we ask them to click on that one. And what happens is we'll see a particular screen that highlights an instructor feedback in which the PDF has contrast issues. We'll also show a future piece which is around highlighting aspects of the PDF itself as a preview and looking through where the issues are within the PDF. Now, the only thing that we ask them to do from this point is to simulate uploading a new PDF which they may have remediated on their own devices. So as you can see here, once they've uploaded the file, we've upped the percentage to 75%, which is fantastic. And then we'll ask them to close and go back to the overview and then engage potentially with a particular issue. And the issue in the study itself is around the document not having any headings. So hopefully they'll go ahead and click on that link there, which will bring them to a list of files which have this issue. What they can also do is click on the "What does it mean" button, which highlights a certain aspect of guidance that allows them to understand a bit more about the issue and potentially how to fix it. And then what they can do is begin fixing, which will start at the first file in the list, and it's the syllabus History of Ancient Greek Philosophy. So we'll see that that's 16% and it doesn't have any headings, so we'll prompt them in the study to upload a new file, which they don't have to do, they just have to click that button obviously. And then look at that, we've upped the score to 100%, which is fantastic, and at the same time we've gone from 37% to 45% for the overall course score. And that's pretty much the entire test. They do have the ability to click on files and have a look at what a potential list of all course files looks like, but really again these are just early designs, and that's it. So thanks for having a look, and remember, if you decide to show these to any instructors, please ensure that they've either taken the test first or they are someone who you might not want to put forward as someone who's going to take the test. So really it's about making sure our study data is nice and clean, and we get a good set of data. So thanks a lot. Thanks for your participation. Appreciate it. And I'll talk to you soon.